There's my mom. God, I was wondering, out of like 5 people, she finally comes. Yay, I got my stuff. So yeah, I'm a happy son. I got freaking 7 grams from my mom because she's over 21. I know. Yeah. 1 more year for me and then I'll be over 21. God, my life's a trip. Love you, Mom.
Love you too, boo.
Yeah. I hope you have a good day.
Come and visit.
I will. Well, you need to message me and let me know for sure when you're gonna go, because I'm gonna.
Not sure yet.
I'm gonna try to visit you every week. Jeez, $850 for a 2-bedroom apartment. That's actually pretty good. Besides, like, from when I was living at my grandpa's, it was a 2-bedroom, but it was only a little mini house for $650 plus utilities.
So where to now?
Fuck. I would love, honestly, as fucked up as it sounds, I would love to go to like a store to try to go look for like a little nectar collector or something, or a little pipe. Because you were talking about nectar collectors, but then again, the other side of my mind, I'm like, fuck, I've broken like 3 in my life, so should I do it?
Just don't get the muscle. What?
Dude, this shatter, it smells really magnificent. This is in the barn store?
Rather just like...
I know I could have sworn they do. Infusium Shatter Cranberry. Guys. Yes, I'm gonna have to put this in the freezer, but this smells really great. It's already sticking to the wax paper. So I got my 7 grams. Yes. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I don't give a fuck. I got a nectar collector. Yeah, it's like.
That's badass. It looks so bad. The like outside.
Yeah, it's all colored and shit. Like I've never seen it like this, dude.
I've never seen such a fancy ass nectar collector shit.
I even got the little pieces. I'm happy. I know for a fact I'm gonna take care of this nectar collector because yes, I don't want what happened to my other one. It's very bad.
Just, oh man, I am so gonna regret that first step. I'm gonna regret the fuck out of that first step.
Do you want me to take the first step?
Oh no, like go ahead, like I mean like my first step.
I can't wait.
Oh yeah,
We gotta torch that motherfucker, dip that bitch in agua. For y'all don't know, that's water. But
I don't wanna smoke any titanium like coke.
yeah. We can't be smoking titanium where we're going. A lot of people have been honking at us, man.
That dude over there was fucking dead.
Yeah, this shatter smells great and it's gonna be great.